Hello friends, this is 18th video of JavaScript tutorial, and today in this video we are going to create a very small video with the help of conditional statement and loops which we have studied in the previous two videos. So what game we are going to make here? The game is very simple and very small game. I have made this game for beginners only. Here in this game you can see here there will be 4 blanks, and now you will click on OK, and here you will see guess an alphabet of animal name having dash 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 dash. Means 4 blanks are there, 4 alphabets you will have to guess, and you will have to press the correct answer. So we have to guess an animal name which is of 4 alphabets, and we will have to write each alphabet here on the basis of our guess. So an element having 4 alphabets can be a line. So if I write here, let's say if I write O here, then I'll click on OK, and here it has taken this place. O has taken this place, means my word is lion itself. So LION. Yeah, now I will get to know that my guess is correct. So I'll click on OK, and now it will ask me for the another word, and here you can see that it has taken the place here also. After that I will take here, let's say if I'm taking here N, then again you can see it has taken the place here N, and now I am clear that it is line. So I'll write L here, and let us suppose that if I write 2 alphabets one with each other, so LI, if I am writing here LI, then I'll click on OK, and here you can see it will uh, send a message that please enter a single letter only. So it will accept only a single letter. So OK, and after that I will here write the single letter L, and here it has taken this, and now only one alphabet is remaining, that is I. So now here this is line, and OK, and good job, the answer was line. So now this is the game, and we want to create this game with the help of the loops and conditional statements. If we want to create the game, then first of all we will have to create the names of the various animals. So if I want to write the names of various animals, then I will have to use arrays here, and we have studied arrays also in my 7th video. We have studied about arrays there. You can go through my video of arrays, and here first of all we will create the array of animal names, and now I will create the array, and let's say the name of the array is animals, and let's write the name of the animals here. So I am writing the name of the animals. Some of the, you can write any number of names. So now I have an array having the names of animals. Now I want to randomly select any of these names. In that case I will have to use math here. So for that also you can refer to my video 7, in which I inside arrays I have told that how you can use math.random and math.floor. I will multiply it with animals.length. Here math.floor has been used, which will take the only the round off value which will be selected here, and math.random always takes the value from 0 and 1, and when I will multiply it with animal.length, then whatever is the number of um, animal names are here, with that this math.random will be multiplied, and in this way it will take any random value uh, from here. If we are having, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so it will take any random value from 0 to 8, and math.floor will make that value as a round of value. So, and after this value will be saved inside this variable animal. Now after this, what we will do is we will show the blanks. So if I want to show the blank to the user, then those blanks must be equal to the number of alphabets of that randomly selected animal name. So how I will create those blanks which are shown in the beginning to the user, and he will get to know that this much of blanks are there in this animal name. I will have to create a blank array here because it must take the value from the user. So I will name it something. So I will name it as var answer array, and I will write it as blank array. And after this I will use for loop here. This for loop must start from 0. So I will write here, I will define the variable name here that is equal to 0. And why I am using here 0? Because the index value starts from 0. It should reach up to animal dot length, and it will be incremented by 1. So I plus plus here, and here inside array I will write the answer array, and this answer array must be having this variable I and dash. Now next, I also want to keep an eye on the remaining letters. So for this I will create a variable that is remaining letters, and initially when the user has not yet guessed any of the alphabet, at that time the remaining letters are equal to the number of those which are there in the word animal. So it will be animal, it will be equal to animal dot length. Okay, and after this, now what I'll do is I will create the loop for the game. And what is the loop for the game? The loop for the game is that until the remaining letters, these remaining letters are remaining more than 0, the same action should take place, and what that action should be, that I will write here, because my loop should get end when the remaining letters are 0. But when the remaining letters are not 0, in that case it should keep on writing. And what it should do, for that I will use while loop here. Here remaining letters, if they are equal greater than 0, in that case in the alert it must give answer array dot join. Now what this dot join is, dot join will join the alphabets with the help of a space. Okay, so whatever the guess of the user will be, that guess will be joined in answer array, because here we have defined this answer array. So inside this answer array, alphabets will be joined. Now here it will take the values from the user. So for taking the values from the user, we will use prompt here. And what the prompt does, that it sends a window, it creates a window message in which there are two options which are written as OK and cancel. If he clicks on cancel, then he will get exit from the loop, and if he click on OK, then loop will keep on running till the end. I will take the values from the user. So if I want to take the value from the user, or if I want to take the guess from the user, then I will create another variable for it, that is variable guess. And here now I will use prompt, and inside prompt I will write here guess the alphabet of the animal having, here I will use plus answer array, because this answer array knows that how many words are there, and all these words will be written with dash. So this dash will tell us that how many alphabets are there. So guess the animal of alphabets of the animal having plus plus having these alphabets, or click on cancel to exit. So this message will pop up. And after this, now here I will use if statement. And why I am using if statement? Because of the reason that the user may do so many things. There are so many situations which may occur. the user may not put any of the values. So if he does not put any value, in that case I should give him a kind of message. So this can be one condition. And the second condition can be that he enters more than one alphabet. In that case also I will have to send him some message. And another condition may be that he insert the correct value or correct alphabet, and I will have to give him the congratulation message. So for that I will use if statement. So here if guess is equal to null. So if it is null, in that case guess dot length guess dot length is not equal to 1. In that case what should happen? In that case one more alert should be there. Now the last thing is that else what should happen? The last statement is that one more condition which may happen, that he gets the correct answer and each time. So for that I will use here for loop again for, and let's say where j, I am giving it name as j, where j is equal to 0 is less than if j is less than animal dot length. If it is less than this, in that case that j should be incremented by 1, and inside it we will give the final congratulations. So to give the final congratulations we have this simple code here. So to final congratulations we have an alert that answer.join, that is this one, and good job, the answer was this word.